In grúpa car do Craobh TG4 chuir champagne na hÉir ná Cliath tús na bhachtas Craobh going Maigh a thuis na báithí le ceanna sin uirigh. Is iad caildar champagne idir bheanach a bíon scata an 3 orn sa grúpa. Ciúca fearn a bheith ar bhóthar leasa tris bouta hain. Bhí Brian Tars, Michelle Ryan na bar Parnell don ceann seo.
We don't know where we are, to be honest, because there's been a bit of a break. So we're looking forward to it and just getting back on the road again.
We were playing against the All-Ireland champions, the best team in the country. We're going to go out now and give it our best shot and see how it goes.
So I cut the shackles and changed my name, and I shed my past like skin on the snake. But I came so far to get lost at sea. Oh, where the hell am I supposed to be?
We were frustrated, obviously, in the first half, and that's the nature, obviously, of teams who load up behind.
We felt that we couldn't really go toe-to-toe with the All-Ireland champions, so we were ultra-defensive in the first half.
The conditions were not helpful, but I suppose we just had to keep going at it and play what we're used to.
She had a turler to Jasso, Cliath and the floor
We kind of knew if we kept our patience it would open up, and we had to have hard runners coming from the half-back line in the midfield.
They stuck at it and they opened up a few gaps, and obviously then the bit of daylight came with the goal.
Fachter Nash, Nicola O'Malley, Tachten, son agus Kate Sullivan, Craobh O'Connor Nash, agus sin on a hole again, Carla Rowe.
They're powerful, they're strong, they're athletic, they don't get rattled or they don't get flustered.
Anna Clishtiga Colvin, Narhukshi Deshtin, Pastor Hurta, Sinead Goldrick, Ross Goros, the cousin, playing the Craobh.
The kind of spirit within the team is really good, and yeah, just love wearing the Dublin jersey, playing in Parnell Park, so it's good to be back.
Tom Cliath Butcher again back here.
We said to them all week, like, they create the music and you get it from playing well. That's what the energy comes from. So that gains momentum and the whole thing goes forward. Please, God.